Okay, now that we've gone over the different screens on the main page and how to get to and from different pages from the main page, I want to go over the admin unlock feature a little more. Going back to the admin unlock, we pan over to that page and it asks us for login to access. So we just push this button here, and we again put in the username admin, ADMIN, and password, ADMIN. And then it asks us to unlock admin controls. So we want to click this button again, and then it says lock admin controls if you want to toggle back to lock the admin controls throughout all pages. So right now it's unlocked, so you are free as the user to toggle anything you need in the program. So if we go to enable and jog page, you can see there's three different parameters: jog velocity, jog acceleration, jog deceleration, and you see a green arrow here. The green arrow designates that you are able to toggle and change the parameter to whatever you need. So we can go to some of our other pages and look. In input, you are able to force your inputs and check them. Outputs, you can enable your forces for outputs. And also here on your homing screen, which we'll go over later, you can see the green arrow, which means all parameters are available for you to toggle and change as needed. And last, another page we'll go over later, and limits are all able to be toggled. Now let's go back to the admin page, return back to the main page, toggle to the admin page, and lock the admin controls, and return back to the main page, and go back to enable and jog, and you see that the lights for the parameters for velocity, acceleration, and decel are now off in gray. So I cannot change or toggle these until I log in. Again, and if you look at the position units page and try to home your axis or change your input units for gear ratios and what have you, again, the parameters are locked, as you can see, gray now, and cannot be changed by the user. The user can only enable the axis and jog, positive or negative. Right now the motor is moving, but he cannot change the parameters of the move or change the gear ratio or anything, or force outputs that could hurt somebody without having proper administration access. Another feature with admin, without having to unlock the entire program and all pages be unlocked and having full administration access, you might just want to enable and change your jog parameters for one time only. You can do this by going to position units, and you can log in admin, and you can change it and do whatever you need to do with the axis for a temporary time. Return back to the main page, and we go back to that same page, and it locks you again. So if you just want to change something real quick, a quick parameter change, you can go to the page itself, unlock your admin, and then once you leave the page, it locks back, and no one can touch any parameters again. It just adds that safety factor that can prevent someone that doesn't know how the program is working to come in and accidentally tweak the program and hurt somebody. It's also important to note, if you do want to change your admin administration password and username, you will have to do it from the Crimson 3 software, which we'll provide with the package. The Crimson 3 software is the package that is programmable for the Red Lion and allows you to tweak the pages and program the actual screens themselves.